Hey, man, what are you doing?
What are you doing? We gonna play this game?
Oh, man, right now. One, two, three, four. Payday. Yes!
That's a cold ass honky.
See, man, this is why I don't play with you. You and your temper. It's crazy.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for northwestern.
Hey, John, come in here and listen to this.
Don't believe this stuff, man. We're in PA. Tornadoes never happen.
Bro, what are you doing? Why are you shutting it?
Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! It's huge! It's insane! Oh my God! Look at it!
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Nah, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn fast.